Today, we will be discussing how to replace the hose on a Series RT reel. When you notice that your hose is leaking or is damaged, you'll want to replace it. Before we get started, please reference our service manuals before making any adjustments to your reel. Always remove the pressure from the system before getting started to prevent any accidents. To replace the hose, bleed off all the pressure in the system. Then pull the hose out completely and lock the reel into place. Next, remove the nuts from the U-bolt, then remove the U-bolt from the spool. Using your adjustable wrench, unthread the hose from the swivel joint. Once the hose is unthreaded, feed the hose through the roller guides. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the bumper from the old hose and set it aside. Now you're ready to install the new hose. For installation, we will reverse the process. Feed the new hose through the roller guides, then feed it through the opening in the spool and thread it into the swivel. Once it's threaded into the swivel, add the U-bolt back to the spool using your socket wrench. Then take the bumper from your old hose and install it onto your new hose. Now you can repressurize the system and check for leaks before you retract it back in. After your hose doesn't show any signs of leaks, pull on your hose and retract it back into place. Now you're ready to use your new hose. For more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.